Sinalong. Sinalong.
Tingnan natin ha. Ito po ang mga seminarians po ng Claret. Sila po ang aming unang carolers. Ang konti naman po nila. Kita natin. Ang konti nila. Quentin, kung ako sa'yo, Quentin, maghanap ka ng ganyang uniform. Mag-bless ka muna. Hindi ka umaten kapon. Birthday ni Father Lito kapon, sabi mo. So, tingnan natin ha. Quentin, wag masyado malakas ang boses mo ha. Baka ikaw pa makasira eh.
It's the time of the year again, the time when homes glow with warm streets, are adorned with festive lights and hearts, are filled with joy and hope. The smell of freshly baked goods create the perfect setting that celebrates the true spirit of Christmas. A time for love, togetherness, and sharing in the joy that this season brings. And so, as they begin their celebration, they start with a song that reminds them of what Christmas really means. Love, peace, and togetherness. A song that fills their home with love and happiness.
Wherever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the street, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
As the music from the previous song fades, the family takes a moment to reflect. The night sky is a calm, but their hearts are full of joy. The true meaning of Christmas comes alive as they recall the holy night when Christ was born. They look at each other, feeling blessed, and remember the words of Holy Night, a night that forever changed the world. Puno ng saya ang bawat sulok ng bahay. Nagsimula na naman ang tawanan ng kwentuhan. Sa bawat pagsapit ng Pasko, naaalala nila kung gaano ka-special ang bawat sandali ng pagtitipon. Pasko na naman.
Pasko na naman, ay tuloy ng araw. Pasko na naman, tila ba kung kailan lang. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko naman muli. Aking araw natin pinapag-ibig. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman muli. Ang pag-ibig naghahari.
Habang ang pamilya ay nagsasalo-salo, napansin nila ang mga simpleng bagay na mas mahalaga pa kaysa sa anumang material na regalo. Give love on Christmas Day. The family realized that the most precious gift they could give each other was their love and attention. It's not the gift that makes Christmas memorable, but the love we share with the people we care about the most.
People you don't know, smile and nod hello. Everywhere there's an air of Christmas joy. In love on Christmas Day, no greater gift is there than love.
Napansin nila ang mga bata, ang kanilang mga matay kumikislap, kasabay ng mga ilaw sa kanilang mga paligid. Ang gabi ay puno ng mga kumukuti-kutitap, at bawat ilaw ay nagiging simbolo ng saya at pag-asa. Sa bawat sandali, ang bawat isa ay nakikinig, nagmamasid, at sumasabay sa kaligayahan ng Pasko.
Kuti-kutita, bumusibo-sila, kanya ng hinda ng mga bumpilya. Ikindat-kindat, kukurak-kurak, bilang lalaruan ang iyong mga mata.
Happy New Year! Pasko'y sumapit na, at ang bawat isa ay nagtitipon upang ipagdiwang ang mga magagandang alaala ng nakaraan. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa mga regalo, kundi sa pagkakaroon ng bagong pagkakataon para magkasama at magpasalamat sa lahat ng biyaya ng Diyos.
Sumapit na tayo ay magdiwang, ngunit ang Panginoon sa ating awitan, ngunit ating sampol na pagkikilang sa sasapan, ay si Jesus ang Diyos natin tunay.
Sa bawat kanto ng bahay, naririnig ang mga halakhak at tawanan. The family looks around and realize that Christmas truly brings joy to the world. It's a time to come together, a time to celebrate all the good things in life, and most of all, a time to celebrate the love and unity that fills their heart.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare His room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our heart. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. We wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of our heart.